Everyone, I'm from Netsol Water Solutions. Today, through online platform, I would like to share my views that why being a resident or being a manufacturer of an industry in Ghaziabad, you should opt in Netsol Water Solutions as your RO plant supplier or manufacturer. As we all are aware that Ghaziabad scene has recommendable growth in recent decades. The city has expanded under the shadow of national capital as a result of blooming and as well as expansion of industry and employment creation. However, the tremendous progress has come at a cost, and the country is now facing a significant water shortage. The another important issue is that the city is dealing with the water pollution. Groundwater in some regions is deemed unfit for the human consumption as well as industrial consumptions. The shortage of pure water has not only affected the residentials but it also affects the industries by affecting their manufacturing units. The Waterworks Department performed a survey on the stage of water supply and has discovered that to satisfy the water demand is unattainable. The major sectors of wastewater in Ghaziabad are domestic, industrial, and agriculture. Through these industries, our water is getting affected, and even these industries getting affected because they are not getting access to the pure water. Can any solution be available for these problems? Do you think? Yes, the industrial ROs or the industrial reverse osmosis system can be helpful for these problems. Reverse osmosis system from Netsol Water Solution is an effective and established process for producing the water suited for various industrial uses that require the demineralized or deionized water. Proper pre-treatment and maintenance of the RO systems are critical for avoiding the costly repairs and unplanned maintenance. With the proper system design and maintenance program, we are acknowledged a support service system. Your RO system should offer numerous years of high purity water in which we believe. The industrial RO plants have different applications. For example, industries which have used RO water is known as one of the water purification procedures. It is typically used as the ultimate step for eliminating chemical, microbiological dissolved contaminants, and it can be used in the tertiary water treatment. The second one is the oceans and seas through which the water supplies has been identified that the salt levels are up to 35,000 mg per liter, which are the only sources of water for many inhabited places. The persistent use of salty water can harm the modern equipment and rather render it unsafe for the consumption. As a result, the maritime industries build up high pressure reverse osmosis system with specific membranes to eliminate this salt content. It aids in desalination while also reducing the chemical and bacterial pollution. Industrial boilers are sensitive to hard water. They use hard water at high temperature for produces scaling, thermal transfer defects, greater downtime for cleaning, and a reduction in the boiler vessel's life cycle. As a result, only softened water should be supplied to and fed into the boiler system. The industries such as mechanical, chemical, pharmaceutical, and lumber use reverse osmosis systems for pre-boiling water treatment to attain this process. If you are looking for a member technology, including the RO systems for your industry to enhance your manufacturing units, to enhance your productivity level, then you are at the right place. We, the Netsol Water Solutions, are the best problem solver for your industry. Our technicians are well trained, which will help you out in finding the best solution technology for your industrial water problem. Your problem is our problem. Therefore, we first inspect your premises and prepare the report on the basis which we decide that which is the best treatment will be for you. Or as per your needs, we can customize our RO systems at your affordable prices. Our systems are completely automated and semi-automated. After giving our services for many years, till now we have gained trust of many customers. If you still have many information, if you still have any confusion regarding the industrial RO system, our industrial RO system manufactured in Ghaziabad, feel free to contact the Netsol Water Solutions. And in the end, I would like to say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.